potato, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, cheese according to preference, 1 tablespoon salt, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now we'll mix all this mixture up together in a bowl with the potato. So I would be adding the oil into the karai. I have put refined oil into the karai because we need deep frying, so put a little extra oil. The oil is hot. Now I'll put in the cheese balls slowly. Be very careful that you don't get burnt. The lovely cheesy balls are frying. I've made XL size, a little big ones.
I don't think so.
So here friends, the lovely potato cheese balls are ready. I would be having it with tomato sauce. You can even have it with other sauces of your choice. It's looking lovely and it's tasting delicious too. I tried one. Fully cheesy taste I'm getting. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos friends. Thank you. Bye.